We are finally going through Route 66. We are in downtown Flagstaff, or the old downtown Flagstaff, where all the Route 66 stuff is. We're really excited because this is our first time seeing all this stuff, so we just gotta pay for parking, unfortunately. There you go. We're heading over to the visitor center at the moment because we are trying to find patches for me for the truck, and we haven't been able to find any nice ones, so hopefully we come across one. There's actually a lot of stores here. I'm like surprised.
I know, I think we just went through wrong street.
And I'm almost positive that the buildings are all original because it looks like it, which is pretty cool. So we got a couple patches, and I'm literally taking every single flyer I can because we're gonna try to figure out a way to scrapbook these things so we can have memories. Slowly racking it up, and we have to literally use pins.
A quick snack.
Yeah, we're starving. Oh my lord.
Dude, don't
Dude,
move.
this is incredible.
Holy moly!
That's views we could never. We would have, if we didn't come to Sedona, we would have missed this. Guys, this is why we do this. We decided to head to Sedona just because we wanted to see it, and we've heard good things about it. And the road, the highway from Flagstaff to Sedona has a scenic view of the Coco Nino National Forest, and it is probably one of the best views we've ever had so far. I love the canyons, and same with Zion. Zion was good too, but this one has I don't know, you'll see in the video.
It's just different.
It's very different, and there's trees. There's a ton of trees, so it's not desert anymore. It's just pine trees everywhere. So we stopped at the viewpoint, and there's also a Native American market here, and we're gonna check it out because we've been seeing so much Native American stuff, and we're just interested in it. So we're gonna go and check it out. Guys, this is incredible. Look at this view. It's completely different than what we've experienced so far. I mean, the Zion Canyon overlook was amazing, and everything over there was great, but there wasn't trees like this. It was just, I would say, little trees that are little bushes, and this is just full-blown trees with rocks, and it's incredible.
Can you see?
Service.
It says I have service.
Thing.
Inside of what?
It's inside the reader. So we just realized that we're on a road where you pay for tours. So we're going down a road that people pay for Jeep tours. And with my just how I am. My tire deflator broke, so I had to finish deflating with an actual little thing that you check your PSI, so that's great. Look how big the cactuses are here.
Really? Guys, now we know why people pay for this, because the views here are insane. However, the roads
Are not at
are
all.
they're insane, but very rocky.
This is the most technical trail we've been on, but this is by far the absolute worst paved trail I've ever seen.
It's not even paved, it's just filled with rocks, and not like the big smooth kind that you can just
It's
go
all
through.
jagged.
It's a bunch of little rocks placed on this road. Or not placed, but they're falling onto this road. And they have built up over time, and it's become so bad. I'm sure I'll get clips of it so where you can see it. But the views here are very much worth it.
Look at that view though. That view. No idea. After that enormous, like 5-mile disaster, we finally found a good spot. So I'm positive it was somewhat worth it. And during the trail, Michelle went on the app and she read that there was another way to get in here. No, I didn't know about it. I'm telling you the truth. She read that there's another way to get in here that was like literally would cut like 30 minutes of our time to get in here. So I don't know. That was highly annoying on how just unbearable that trail was. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you. That was starting to get frustrating. But we made it. It is so freaking perfect up here. It feels great. Oh my gosh, dude. What a sunset. Guys, it is, I forgot what time it is, but I'm currently doing a recording, a time lapse of the sunset, the best I can get because it's not, I mean, it's already, the sun basically already set, but this place is gorgeous. I mean, like we said, the drive was absolutely terrible. I do feel bad. I didn't actually know that it was that bad. The listing just said that you need a 4-wheel drive and high clearance, and that's what I thought. But it's okay. Mistakes were made, and we were able to get crazy scenery out of it. It's crazy because you can see the layers of the mountains here. Some of them, I mean, I've seen before in Georgia and North Carolina and stuff like that, but never here so far. So it's really, really cool seeing this. It's weird because from Flagstaff, I mean, there is not much to see there. to be honest with you, besides a city. And then you see like a snowy mountain in the distance. Coming here, which like we said before, we were debating on even coming here. It was well worth it. The town here is so nice. It's surrounded by canyons, basically. It's just a beautiful place, seriously, and I cannot wait to shoot photos of it. We just have to find like areas to that not many people go to shoot photos. That's what I like doing. But yeah, it's so perfect out here, and it feels so good. It's not too cold, not too hot. So tonight is gonna be so perfect because last night we absolutely froze. We were sleeping with like 4 layers. It ended up being like 39 or 38. We will see. But I'm doing a 30-minute time lapse. I'm sure that's plenty enough to get whatever's out here. Probably a little bit of the night sky as well. And yeah, we're chilling. Let's do it. Right, it's pretty boo-boo quality, but we're making some
Another night, another taco.
basically because we have nothing. Well, we have other stuff, but this is so simple to make and it just tastes so good.
And it's dark.
Yeah, it is dark, but you can basically see it. We can sleep with the city lights in the distance. This is what we got going tonight. Just a simple, quick meal. Got the onions and cilantro diced up.
And cheese.
Some meat,
Oh
some
my
cheese.
gosh. A fly just flew into my face.
And we already got these warmed up. So
I think we're good.
we're ready to go. I mean, let me set up the chairs real quick and maybe the fire